sardines with wild garlic for healthy aging. Would you like to age healthily? Is that a word? Should I just shut up and open them? I can't do it. I can't do it one-handed. Can we do this? Come here. Let's open them. Let's try. Didn't think that one through, did we? Right. I can't open them. I'm sorry. I'm crap at life. Right. Oh. Thoughts and feelings? Oh, okay, okay. Let me just get her phone quickly again. Oh. We can see you trying them. Can you sit then, please? Sit. Good girl. Thoughts? Oh, they're working already. Look at you go. Look at you aging so healthily. One more. One more because your ears are cute. Is it? Good girl. Right, two more because I love you. Mwah. Good dog.